Going on? It's Julian here with another episode of Professional Idiots, and we're here with, nobody likes me, so I'm doing a video by myself. So, yeah. So the plan is simple. We are going to make a bowl of cereal. Simple and easy, and if you don't know how to do it, you should probably watch this video. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need a bowl. Just right here. Totally didn't plan anything out. Then, we're gonna need a box of cereal, which is also right here. Again, didn't plan anything out. So, now what we need is milk. So, we go over to the fridge, we open the fridge, and then we look for milk, which, applesauce, orange juice, apple juice, water, energy drink, Pepsi, God damn it. Okay, so, I've been doing some thinking, and we're out of milk. So what I can do, I could go to Julasco, and walk there, buy milk with my own money, and walk back, and then make my bowl of cereal. But it's already 9:05, so I don't feel like doing that, and I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. So comment down in the comment section thing, and comment what I should use for milk, because your comments totally affect the end of this video. I just want activity on the video. You have orange juice with breakfast. You have cereal with breakfast. So, why don't we mix those two together? So, gonna get this orange juice. Then, we got everything we need. Now, what you do? I'm gonna pinch everybody. Pour the orange juice first. Yeah. I'm pissing off myself by doing this. And then, get the box of cereal. We open the box of cereal. And we pour the cereal in. Ah, that looks disgusting. This is why they use milk for cereal. And voila! You got your bowl of cereal. Now all you need is a spoon. Okay, good, I swear. If we're out of spoons. And then you eat it. You know what? I'm only doing this for you guys, so.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
You know, this is the most disgusting bowl of cereal I have ever had. I'm gonna So, if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something from this at all, click the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you like watching me eat disgusting stuff, also click the like button and leave a comment saying that I should keep eating disgusting stuff. And turn on notifications to become a part of the notification squad. So, yeah. I'm gonna go eat a disgusting bowl of cereal now. See you guys later. The worst part is, I'm still eating.